These three AI IDEs have collectively raised over $500 million in funding. But which one actually makes you a faster developer? I tested all three for 2 weeks each. Cursor pioneered the AI-native IDE space. Its tab completion is still best in class, and Composer mode handles multi-file edits beautifully. But the $20 per month price stings. Windsurf's Cascade feature is genuinely impressive for autonomous coding tasks. It understands project context better than Cursor in some cases, and the free tier is generous. Claude Code takes a different approach. It's a terminal-first tool that reads your entire codebase. For complex ref factors and multi-file changes, nothing beats it. Cursor for daily coding flow, Claude Code for complex tasks and ref factors. Windsurf if you want the best free option. Most power users will want 2 of these. Which AI IDE are you using right now? Comment below and let me know if you agree with my ranking. Hit subscribe for more AI dev tool comparisons.